Iodomethane. Lewis dot structure. Carbon has 4 valence electron, hydrogen has 1 valence electron, multiply hydrogen valence electron by 3 as we have 3 hydrogen atom, plus iodine has 7 valence electron. So totally we have 4 plus 3 plus 7, 14 valence electron. This 14 valence electron has two tasks at the same time. The first task is to connect these 5 atoms together. For connecting, just use 2 dots. Okay. And the second task is to satisfy the octet and duet of the atoms. So start with the outer atom, 2, 4, 6, 8, then 10, 12, 14. We have used all the valence electron. Now count for octet of outer atom, octet, then count duet, 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 duet. Now count for octet of central atom. Carbon is central atom because it has the highest capacity of making bond, plus it is least electronegative, plus hydrogen is always considered outer atom. So this is the Lewis dot structure. You can replace this bond pair by a line. So this is the structural formula or another way of representing Lewis dot structure.